What if research didn't take hours anymore? What if AI could find the sources, summarize the facts, and even write the citations for you? Today, we're diving into 10 incredible AI tools that are built to do exactly that and more. First up, Perplexity AI. It's like a search engine and a research assistant rolled into one. Ask it a question, and it doesn't just give you an answer. It gives you sources and citations too. Anthropic's Claude is known for handling complex reasoning. Give it long research papers or messy data, and it'll break them down into digestible summaries or arguments, great for academic work or reports. Gemini, Google's latest AI model, connects deeply with your Google Docs, Gmail, and Search. It's perfect for researching topics while you write, offering real-time suggestions, data, and even images from your drive. Notebook LM, also from Google, is like a study buddy that understands your notes. Upload documents, and it'll summarize, quiz you, or even create connections between ideas. It's designed for students and researchers alike. Need research help on the go? Socratic by Google is a mobile app designed for students. Snap a photo of a homework question. It explains the concept using trusted online sources. No more Googling random forms. Whether you're a student, a researcher, or just someone curious, these AI tools are here to cut your research time in half. Let the AI do the digging so you can focus on the thinking. Which AI tool do you want us to test next? Drop it in the comments and subscribe for more smart tech tips.